Shut up and sit down.
Seriously, there's like 1,000 Amazon trucks right here at this gas station. What is this? All these people have all my packages. I'm just kidding. I'm in Austin. I'm holding this guy up here. Sorry, Amazon guy. So the battery's dead, and then this is leaking acid? Why would it do that?
I'm not sure. That normally happens after 2 to 3 years because of the heat.
This is like 6 months of this.
Yeah, it shouldn't be doing that right away.
That's crazy. Yeah, that doesn't look good. Yeah, this literally was a brand new battery, but I got it in Kerrville. I don't know if they gave me a dodgy battery.
How many liters?
Liters for gasoline?
The engine size?
Oh, V6.
V6, 3.1.
I don't know, half this van has parts from other vehicles. Apparently the doors on the back aren't even the original doors. Yeah, I don't know what it is. Probably like a 3.6 or something.
Oh, it's a 4.0.
Oh, it is? Oh, well, fancy that. That's a straight A vehicle right here. Good morning. Good afternoon. It is Saturday, and I'm sitting here waiting for AAA again, second day in a row. Yesterday I had to work, so they came by in the morning, they checked the battery on my vehicle, on the van, and it's leaking acid, as you saw, which is crazy. I've only had the battery for like 6 months. So now I'm just sitting here waiting for AAA again to jump the van so I can drive to AutoZone and have them replace the battery. I have like a 3-year warranty. So they can do that, and AAA does have their own battery, but I would have to buy it from them. So I'm hoping maybe AutoZone can just refund me the money for the dodgy battery and the dodgy installation that could potentially have been really dangerous. And if they give me my money back for that battery, I can just have AAA install one of theirs. So I've never seen this happen before. I just think the cables weren't attached properly. Since I've only had it for like 6 months. So yeah, so just kind of hanging out in my living room waiting. So just sitting here, just going down the rabbit hole of Instagram Reels.
Yeah!
Unfortunately. So, I mean, I'm like people cooler than me that have more talent. It's a great day outside. It's like in the low 80s, like late 70s, high 70s. When you're born in 1978, you refer to the 70s as like, oh, it's the late 70s. No, it's the high 70s when it comes to temperature. Anyway, so I'm just sitting here, and then I think I'm going to try to run some errands in the van. I need to go to IKEA. I need to go to Walmart and get extension cords for my computers. I need to hook all those up for work. That's it, basically. So nothing else going on here. Just haven't been really making videos. I mean, I've been filming. I just haven't had the time to put the videos together. So hopefully I'll get my Austin paddleboarding videos done, and then my some other videos that I have. I'm kind of winding down on the videos for now through the winter because I'm going to be more active, just kind of having fun and enjoying myself. Don't really need to be like putting myself out there, you know. Anyway, but yeah, so that's that, and just wait for AAA. Fun day. Okay, I've waited 2.5 hours and no one's here to fix my vehicle. My neighbor came by and their truck wasn't powerful enough for, you know, good old Prudence. I'm still on hold. Oh my god, it's so hot outside. I'm sitting in my SUV right now. Prudence is right over there. I just need to go 2 miles down the road, and I'm so worried now. They won't just let me like get the new battery and bring it back. I have to like take the vehicle, so I can't do it tomorrow because I have Harriette all day. So Monday I work, so this is really inconvenient. It's all right. I mean, whatever. It's an adventure. Stuff breaks down all the time, but this is actually because they did not install it properly. This is not like maintenance issue. Oh, hang on.
Thank you for calling Geico. My name is
Okay, we have life and a very dusty vehicle. And let's just double check here. Yeah, battery's fine. It's just because of that stuff. The AutoZone guy is quite honestly just being a complete prick. He's like, I'm a manager. I'm like, you need to fix this. You need to do me a solid. You guys are the ones that reinstalled it or installed my battery wrong. Anyway, so this guy's a lifesaver. Thank you so much, AAA guy. Geico still has a tow on its way, but I am now headed to AutoZone 4 miles away. And hopefully get this replaced. And it's raining. Why is it freaking storming? This whole day cannot get any worse. Actually, it probably could. Who knows? So this is life. Just deal with it with a smile. Good people are out there, you know, saving the day. Anyway, all right, so I'm off. So yeah, of course now it's raining. It's okay. I've only got like 4 miles to go. What is this? Rain is like hitting me sideways. This is Texas, actually specifically Houston. Like literally 2 minutes ago, it was sunny, blue skies and humid, and now it's like apocalypse. But, you know, just deal with it. It's just like literally, I don't even get mad anymore. I'm like, oh my god, like what is happening? This is why aliens don't land. They just keep going. They're like, not this planet. Screw this planet. Too much problems. Okay, so the guy at AutoZone says that it was just like corrosion and cleaned it, but it's not starting now. So maybe not the battery. I don't know. We gotta figure this out. We're gonna take all this off and figure it out. So I'm so sweaty right now. So I'm back in the van. The rain stopped. It's not starting. We put a new battery in. I have a warranty, so that covered the battery. They put this like gel stuff on it, and then these little like protectors, and the van's not starting. So I'm gonna get a tow back to home and then call a mechanic Monday. I still have 4 or 5 days before I have to be in Austin for the Tiny Home Festival, or Tiny Fest Texas, which is fine. So yeah, what a fun day of inconvenience. Yeah, so AutoZone was great. There is a military discount, so it went from $48 for the prorated cost of the warranted battery. I guess you have to pay $48 for a $200 battery, but it was $11 with a military discount. So make sure you get the military discount. I'd rather pay $11 than $48. I can call a mobile mechanic. Maybe somebody can come out while I'm sitting here waiting for a tow. I think it might just be bad connectors, but who knows. So we may be immobile for a few weeks, and I may not be able to go to Tiny Festival. So yeah, we'll see what happens. I have a week to figure this out, so there we go.
paying your insurance bill easy. Enroll in one of Geico's automatic.
Okay, so Geico is sending a tow truck, and I'm just chilling here in the van looking at the traffic out there, city life. At least I'm, you know, broken down 4 miles from my house, so that's good. Yeah, so anyway, just chilling, waiting. Nothing too exciting. So, looking at my travel map over here. and like wishing that I was going more places, but I'm not. I'm stuck in an AutoZone parking lot, and there's nothing nearby where I can just walk and get something to eat. And I have no like travel snacks because I haven't packed the van yet. So this may be it. This may be the end. Just like starved to death in my van. I'm just kidding. Anyway, it's nice to sit in the back here. The fan is open on my horrible ceiling that I need to redo. I'm just waiting. I'm tired now. I had a whole plan to like go to IKEA and go grocery shopping and get all these things done, which I did some of it yesterday in the evening, but now I'm just like, I just want to go home, edit some videos and like watch Netflix and go to bed early. So yeah, so that's what I'm doing, just hanging out here. It is hot and humid. I can't turn the air on. I do have a fan. I do actually have another fan. I have two fans. This fan, but I don't have my Jackery battery. It's at home. So I have no way to like plug anything in right now. I just only have USB power. So I don't know. not the best place to break down when it's like Texas and it's hot and humid. See, I was like sweaty. I'm getting all shiny. My hair is getting all messed up. Anyway, all right. Well, there's a nice breeze coming from up there. I guess I can. I don't even know if the 12 volt's gonna work. Does the fan work? Yeah. So the fan works. The battery works. So it has to be the connectors. Yeah, I don't want to waste the battery. It has to be a connector issue. I guess maybe like whoever put my battery in, or just the nature of the van. It's just, I'm so sweaty. Look how gross I look. Anyway, no worries. No, it must be a connector issue. That's what I think it is. All right, so I'm gonna melt right now and then drink some water and maybe go in and get a Diet Coke from inside and just glistening. I don't like the heat. I don't like the sun. I'm not a fan of hot weather, so I should probably go outside and try to stand in the air conditioning outside or something in the store. So yeah, AutoZone's right there. There you are. There's my house. I tell you, that is a beautiful, beautiful sight. A flatbed truck. Oh my God, I waited all day for this. Okay, third time's a charm. We're back on power. He's going to follow me in the tow truck, and if I break down, then he's going to tow me back to my house. I'm only 4 miles from home. Bye-bye, AutoZone. Thank you for letting me sit in your parking lot, and all these people look at me. And sorry to everybody when the alarm went off every 2 minutes. Okay, let's go home. I'm so tired and sweaty and hungry. Okay, so I completely died literally right by the intersection. So I'm now that person stuck on the side of the road. At least he's got room to like park in front of me and like put me on the back of the truck. So that literally lasted 10 seconds, and now he's gonna pull in front of me, and there we go. That badass. That's it. Where's he going? No, come back. Don't leave. What if he leaves me here? I mean, I've got like a tiny home. I mean, look, see? I could like sleep here. Oh my God, I just want to go home. Oh, there's a city bus. Of course. Sorry, city bus. Too funny. Too funny. This is jump number 4, since I can't get my window closed now. Welcome to van life, seriously. At least I'm doing this here by my house, as I said before, and not like in the middle of the Grand Canyon. There's no way I could have done this on the back of a two-wheel truck, whatever it is. There you go. There's my Prudence being taken home. He said it's maybe the alternator. That's fine, I can get that replaced pretty easily.